Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best teen skin is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for young individuals navigating the complexities of adolescent skin, offering a comprehensive approach to address common concerns like acne, oiliness, and sensitivity with gentle yet effective formulations designed specifically for their developing skin. This set aims to simplify the skincare routine, making it accessible and enjoyable for teens, promoting healthy habits early on, and empowering them with the confidence that comes from clear, radiant skin, all while using products that are safe and tailored to their unique needs. Number 5. Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment Kit. Tired of acne breakouts? Discover the Proactiv 3-Step Acne Treatment, a complete skincare system designed to tackle blemishes effectively. Begin your journey to clearer skin with our benzoyl peroxide face washington. It penetrates deep into pores to effectively cleanse and combat acne-causing bacteria. Next, apply the repairing acne spot treatment. This powerful formula works to heal existing blemishes and prevent new ones from forming on your face and body. Finally, our exfoliating toner sweeps away impurities and refines pores. It helps to balance your skin's tone and texture for a smoother complexion. This comprehensive 60-day kit provides everything you need for complete acne skincare. Achieve visibly clearer, healthier-looking skin with consistent use. Experience the difference Proactiv can make. It's designed to deliver visible results, giving you the confidence of a clearer complexion. What we like? This set is designed for those struggling with acne. Its powerful benzoyl peroxide formula works to clear existing blemishes and prevent new ones. If you're looking for a targeted and comprehensive solution for persistent breakouts, this is the one for you. What people say? This set is great for clearing up acne and preventing new breakouts. The products in this set are gentle on the skin and do not cause irritation. My skin feels smoother and looks clearer after using this set for a few weeks. Number 4. E.L.F Skin Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit. Introducing the Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit from E.L.F Skin. This travel-friendly set has everything you need for perfectly hydrated skin on the go. Start your routine with our gentle face cleanser to remove impurities. Follow up with the nourishing balm to prep your skin. Experience deep hydration with our rich moisturizer, designed to quench your skin's thirst. Don't forget the delicate eye area. Our eye cream provides targeted moisture. Let your skin rejuvenate overnight with our luxurious night cream. Wake up to a softer, smoother complexion. Feel good about your skincare. This entire set is vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with E.L.F Skin's commitment to ethical beauty. Designed for your busy lifestyle, this kit is perfectly travel-friendly. Keep your skin hydrated and healthy, no matter where your adventures take you. What we like? This kit offers a full hydration routine in convenient travel sizes. It includes a cleanser, balm, moisturizer, and eye cream, perfect for maintaining your skin's moisture barrier on the go. If you're a frequent traveler or just want to try out a hydrating routine without committing to full sizes, this set is an excellent choice. What people say? It leaves my skin feeling deeply hydrated, soft, and healthy looking from the very first use. The products are lightweight, non-greasy, and absorb quickly, making them perfect for both day and night. The travel-friendly sizes are perfect for packing, and the products work well together to keep skin feeling hydrated while on the go. Number 3. ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Unveil radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Designed for deep hydration, it's your daily dose of self-care. Experience intense moisture that leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. This set is perfect for achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. Gentle and safe for all skin types, our masks cater to everyone's needs. Enjoy a pampering experience without any worries. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions, bringing joy and relaxation to loved ones. Share the experience with family and friends. It's a wonderful way to create lasting memories and enjoy a spa day at home. Incorporate these masks into your daily routine for consistently beautiful skin. Feel refreshed and revitalized every day. What we like? This is a fantastic option for a relaxing self-care experience. With 7 different sheet masks, you can tailor your hydration and glow needs daily. If you enjoy pampering yourself or looking for a fun, shareable activity for teens and family, this variety set is perfect. What people say. This set is great for beginners. It has all the essentials. My daughter's acne cleared up significantly after using this set for a few weeks. The cleanser is gentle and doesn't strip the skin, and the moisturizer is lightweight and absorbs quickly. Number 2. Glow Recipe Fruit Baby Skincare Kit. Discover the Glow Recipe Fruit Baby Skincare Kit, your all-in-one solution for a glowing complexion. This set is designed to nourish and revitalize your skin. Start your routine with our ceramide facial cleanser. It gently removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, experience the power of our BHA toner. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion underneath. Address delicate under-eye concerns with our vitamin C eye cream. It brightens and revitalizes the eye area, reducing the appearance of dark circles. Quench your skin's thirst with our hyaluronic acid cream. It delivers intense hydration, leaving your skin feeling plump and supple. Finish your routine with our niacinamide dew drops. These potent drops help to balance your skin and impart a healthy, dewy glow. This 5-piece kit provides everything you need for a complete and effective skincare ritual. Achieve your best skin yet with Glow Recipe. What we like. This kit features a collection of potent, fruit-derived skincare essentials. It includes a cleanser, toner, eye cream, moisturizer, and serum, all formulated to address various skin concerns with effective ingredients like ceramides, BHA, and vitamin C. If you're drawn to clean beauty and want a curated routine that delivers a healthy, radiant glow, this set is ideal. What people say. This skincare set is specifically designed for teens, addressing common issues like acne and oiliness. The products in this set work effectively to clear up breakouts and leave the skin feeling refreshed. It includes a gentle cleanser, a targeted spot treatment, and a lightweight moisturizer, making it a comprehensive solution for teenage skin concerns. Number 1. W7 Self-Care Skincare Set. Introducing the W7 Self-Care Skincare Set, your all-in-one solution for a complete daily facial routine. Achieve radiant skin with this comprehensive collection. Start your routine with our gentle face cleanser. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Follow up with our refreshing toner. It helps to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps in your skincare regimen. Next, apply our nourishing serum. This potent formula targets specific skin concerns, delivering essential nutrients deep within your skin. Seal and hydration with our rich moisturizer. It provides long-lasting moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple all day. Don't forget your lips. Our intensive lip mask deeply hydrates and conditions, ensuring your lips are soft and kissable. Enjoy full-size, long-lasting products designed for effective use at home. This set provides everything you need for beautiful, healthy-looking skin. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive daily skincare routine with full-size products. It covers all the essential steps from cleansing to moisturizing and even includes a lip mask. If you're looking for an economical way to establish a consistent skincare habit with long-lasting products, this is a great value. What people say. All 5 items are good sizes, and great value for the price I paid. The toner smells wonderful. I can feel how refreshing it is for the skin. The serum feels great too, and smells pleasant without being overpowering. It didn't leave my face feeling oily at all. I love that it has peptides in it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.